Just a minute. It has been started, recording started. So now let's start. So my screen is visible at your end, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So let's start this class. Today, date is January 25, 2021. Okay, so in the last class, we have tried to solve some kind of problems, okay, using diode. And when trying to solve some kind of problem using diode, and we are solving the problem numerically, then that means numerical problem. If not given, we use the voltage across the diode. The voltage across the diode is nothing but equal to 0.7 volt because you are assuming it is silicon. Okay. So, but in case of graphical solution, we assume VD across the diode, it is nothing but short circuit voltage, and we assume it is nothing but 0 volt. That we have to remember whether we are trying to solve the problem. Okay, so using a numerical calculation or using a only graphical solution, so we have to identify what voltage has to be taken. Okay, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt for any student? VD 0.7 or 0 volt, how to consider? Is there any doubt? Okay, let's start.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So today we will try to learn rectifier. And we have already learned the rectifier. We have already learned half wave rectifier, because if I do take one diode and if I connect a resistor across the diode and I am taking the voltage over here, suppose it's not V naught, and I am applying here some positive and negative voltage. Suppose here I am applying V in equal to Vp sine of omega t. So it is nothing but one AC voltage. So in the case of first positive half cycle, so I am doing only this one. In this case, here it is voltage, here it is positive, here it is negative. So we can assume this negative sign can come across over here. So nothing but this diode will act as a short circuit. So in this case, the equivalent circuit will be nothing but, so suppose it is A and B junction. So short circuit. So whatever the voltage I will apply V in, that will appear as a V naught. That means output. So in this case, as we are giving the V in, suppose this one, and we will also get the V out in this way. Black. So short circuited. So we will get in this way. We are not talking about what will be the amplitude, because we are trying to solve the problem graphically. Okay, we have to identify the concept first. Okay, so this is the problem. When for the negative half cycle, suppose this is my diode. In this position I have to place the diode. Now let's check what will happen. Look, draw karo diode ko draw kar do. In the negative half cycle, that means we are considering this voltage. So as it is negative, that will be negative, that will be positive. So we can assume this positive voltage is appearing over here. So it is reverse bias. Reverse bias. So it will act as a open circuit. So the equivalent circuit will be nothing but, so it is my V in, that is my minus, that is positive, and it is my V naught. So in this case it will act, that means I will not get any current. So there will be what the voltage, what will be the value of voltage? V naught, bolo. V naught is the voltage across the resistance. Yes, resistance into current ID. That means R into 0. So that means 0. So I will get only the current over here in this way. Sorry, voltage in this way. So voltage. Okay. So again for the another positive half cycle, and we will get again a positive peak only. So in this way we will get this kind of solution. It is called half wave rectifier. Why? Because it is rectifying, or it is giving in the output portion only the half cycle. That's why it is called half wave rectifier. Okay. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? We have already learned this one earlier.
Sir, please explain that again.
Again,
Sir,
this is I'm explaining second time. So we learned in the first class in the diode.
Sir, actually,
third time.
Okay, third time. Then where are you facing problem? बोलो कौन से time कौन से में issue हो रहा है? कौन से portion में?
Sir, that reverse.
Reverse. So in the reverse case, here we have minus voltage. Here it is positive voltage. Is it clear? Minus and positive. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as it is positive, so we can assume this positive sign can appear over here. So if it is negative and this terminal positive, so it will not work as a conventional diode. So it is a reverse bias condition. So it will act as a open circuit. So the final output, that means final equivalent circuit, will be like that because there is no voltage. Okay. So now as the circuit is off, so the current will be 0. As the current is 0, so voltage across the resistor, that is nothing but V naught, that means equal to R into ID. ID is 0, so that's why I will get 0. So voltage, output voltage will be 0. That's why in this case it is negative region, minus V region. In this region I will get constant 0 voltage. Now is it clear? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And again another positive cycle if come, then again same thing will happen as per this cycle, positive cycle, and it will repeat.
Sir,
Now suppose bolo
sir, why it is called rectifier?
we will come later. थोड़ा तो पढ़ने दो ना, ऐसा ऐसा करके आगे जाने दो, then we will come. Okay, why it is called rectifier we will come, because we have to finish the topic, then only we can answer, we can give the answer. ठीक है, पूरा टॉपिक अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, this topic is not in Morris Mano.
No, it is not in Morris Mano. In the first class, I have shown, I believe I have shown the syllabus and books name. Microelectronics circuits. I think it is given by Cedra and Smith. Okay. Cedra and Smith. Microelectronic circuit. Okay, I'm writing. Microelectronic circuit. Okay, Cedra and Smith. So first edition is 1985 and I have 1989 edition, fourth edition. I have fourth edition. So you can get 7th or 9th editions, all are available, or 9th or 11th edition, I don't know. But whatever the current editions are available, you can purchase it. There will be no issue. Okay. Now, if I have diode, now I have reversed the position of the diode, and I am placing the current resistor over here, and I am calculating the voltage over here. Then I am placing again here one AC signal, that is VI. So I am placing it over here. So in this case, when the positive half cycle it is coming, for positive half cycle, okay. So here the diode, suppose it is my terminal A, it is my terminal B. So let's see this one. So this is my terminal diode, this is my diode, this is my A, this is my B. In this case, this is my V naught. Positive half cycle, so it is positive, it is negative voltage. So this negative can be assumed as in this position, so here negative, so it is positive negative, so it should be open circuit. So as it is open circuit, so AB terminal will be open. So here I am giving some VI and it is V naught. So current, so there will be no current flow, so ID is 0. So V naught equal to R into ID, that means 0. So in the first half cycle, this is my suppose V in, and let's try to draw.
Sir,
So
sir,
bolo.
mute all, sir. Sound is coming.
Please mute yourself. If you mute yourself, at least one student will be there where some background noise is coming. We can easily understand. Please try one by one. Okay, I'm requesting to everyone. So in this case, first half cycle V0 is 0. So I will not get any V0. So it is 0, completely 0, because during this region. Okay, so complete output will be 0. Okay, so now let's take the second half cycle. So first half cycle is over, second half cycle. In this case, this is my diode, this is my resistance, and this is my this one. So अभी कौन म्यूट किया? हाँ प्लीज, हाँ म्यूट योरसेल्फ because background noise is coming. Okay, so in this case, as it is a negative half cycle, so I can assume the input is nothing but here minus, here positive. Is it clear? Is it clear? Here it is minus, here it is positive. Is it clear? Sir. Is it clear? Okay, so now this positive sign can be assumed in this way because it is connected to resistor. So here it is negative, it is positive, so it is normal bias condition. Okay, so it will act as a short circuit. So my equivalent circuit will be like this. So here I am giving V0, Vi, here I am getting V0. So here this is my negative, this is my positive. So here suppose it is, I am taking this one negative. So suppose here plus Vi plus V0 equal to 0. So V0 equal to minus Vi. Okay, so that means it will be opposite sign. So here it will be negative, here it will be positive because we got negative sign. Okay, so in this case the total voltage will appear over here. So I will get this amount of voltage. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
is
sir.
It clear? Okay. Now in the previous, it is giving the half cycle. That means we are getting the positive half. So sometime it can be referred as that means positive half cycle, half wave rectifier. Sometime it can be referred positive half wave rectifier. That means we can get only positive cycle. Sometime you can get this one negative half wave rectifier because we are getting the negative portion of the input voltage in the output part. That's why sometime it can be called as negative half wave rectifier. Okay, so in this way do not remember anything. Place the diode and give the input signal as per our assumption. That means whatever we are doing in the class, first positive half cycle, then negative half cycle, and do as it is. Simple, you will get correct result always. It can take time, 5 minutes, but you will get always correct result. Okay, don't remember, don't try to memorize anything. Now suppose I want to get all positive and negative both half cycles simultaneously. So suppose I am drawing one kind of circuit over here. Here I am placing the resistance, and then dotted portions we are not talking about right now. We will decide what can be provided. So here I am giving one again AC signal. Vi is nothing but Vp sine of omega t. Now suppose I want to take the current in this direction. It is my assumption. Should I reverse the direction of current? Or can we take in this right to left? Direction of current कहाँ से ले? Left to right or right to left? बोलो.
Right to left.
Right to left. So right to left, that means that we have already drawn. Suppose it is my assumption the current will flow from A to B. The current will flow from A to B point. So in this case it is my AC signal. So I have to connect the diode. Okay. So I have already taken one kind of bridge. Why? I will come later. So suppose if I want to pass the current in this direction, so I can assume for the positive half cycle, so here it is positive, here it is negative. So if the current want to pass in this direction, so it has to come here because it is negative. So in this case we should get this kind of path. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes,
this
sir.
case,
Yes,
in
sir.
this case, very good, very good. So in this case, I will place one diode over here, then register over here. So it is my A terminal, it is my B terminal. Then I have to pass the current over here. So I will place again one diode over here, then this one. So it is my input terminal. Is it clear? Is it clear? Suppose I am giving A, B, C,
Yes, sir.
D, E, F. So it is my C, D, E, and it is my F point. So I can easily achieve. The current in this diagram, as shown in this diagram. So if I give the cycle in this way, so for the positive half cycle, I will get positive portion in this way. Okay. So is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
suppose in the negative half cycle, this is my again connection. It is my terminal A, it is my terminal B, it is my C, it is my D, it is my E, it is my F. I want to flow the current in this case, but now we are considering the negative half cycle. Okay, so as it is negative half cycle, so I can assume here it is negative voltage, here it is positive voltage. Agree? Here it is negative voltage, here it is positive voltage. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
as it is positive voltage,
Yes,
I
sir.
have to obtain the current in this direction through the resistor. It is my desired. We have already assumed current should flow always in this direction. Okay, across the resistance we are talking about. Okay, so in this case, so obviously if I want to get this kind of current, so positive path should be connected in this way, then it should connect in this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So otherwise the
Yes,
path will
sir.
not be complete. If there is any open path, there will be no current flow. So if I want to obtain this kind of path, so obviously this is my C, this is my D, this is my E point, this is my F point, and this is my positive, negative to positive. So current will flow in this direction. So here I have to place one diode over here. It is already one kind of resistance is there because the current is flowing in this direction, and then current is flowing in this direction. So I have to place, one diode across this resistor. Then what will happen? I am using the black color, so current will pass in this way. Then as per our assumption from right to left, then it can pass through the diode and it can come to negative end. So it is a complete cycle. So in this point, the voltage is across always from A to B junction, A to B terminal. So although it is negative input, it is my negative Vi. Now it is my V naught. I will also get positive instead of negative because the voltage is considering across the AB terminal. Okay, across the AB terminal we are considering. So in this way, again another for negative, for again positive half cycle, again I will get this kind of cycle. Then for negative I will get again this one, and so on. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
here
Yes,
V
sir.
naught is equals to, sir, here V
Yes, sir.
naught equals to VA minus VB, na, sir?
Yes, always, because we are
Okay, okay.
considering the voltage across always the resistor, na. You check always we are calculating voltage across some kind of resistor. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
if we across the diode voltage across the diode, either it will be 0 volt for short circuit conditions, or it will be most of the cases it will be input voltage for open circuit condition. So either this
Yes,
one
sir.
or this one or this one. So we cannot consider the voltage across the diode. Okay, we normally we have to
Yes, sir.
consider voltage across the capacitor. We will learn some another application where we can consider the voltage across capacitor also. We will come one by one. Okay, then only we can define why it is called rectifier and why those circuit is called as clipper or clampless something. Okay, but we have to
Sir,
finish
it's
first,
zero
then
for
only we can
open
define.
circuit.
No,
Open
it
circuit
is
zero. No,
correct,
no.
sir.
Short circuit it is 0 volt, and when it is open circuit, so all the voltage will appear across this across this terminal. So that's why it is called. That's why all the input voltage will come. Huh? Step by step, karo. Here it is given already. I believe in previous slide it is also given. No, not given. So if V naught is 0, so if it is positive negative, so minus Vi, suppose it is positive negative kind is flowing, plus Vd, then plus V naught equal to 0. V naught is 0 over here, so Vd equal to Vi. Okay, do not try to remember anything, try to obtain step by step. Okay, so this calculation is coming for this one. Okay. Now let's come to this kind of rectifier. This kind of rectifier means if you combine those rectifier,
It will be a full wave rectifier.
full wave rectifier. Yes, it is a full wave rectifier.
So individually they are
Sir,
half wave rectifiers, na?
Yes, it is in the first half cycle it is positive half wave rectifier, it is negative half wave rectifier. Okay, because it is rectifying the negative portions only, negative input portion. That's why. Okay, so
Yes,
now we are adding those things, because one cycle completes with positive half cycle, and then we have to count the negative half cycle also. Okay, so that's why. Now let's proceed. So it is called bridge rectifier because it is forming one kind of bridge, and it is also called full wave rectifier because we are getting in the output terminal that means positive input part and negative input part, both part. That's why it is called full wave rectifier. Now,
Sir,
yes,
sir,
bolo.
why do we use diodes here two times?
Why?
Why do
Why?
we two diodes here? For each case, two diodes.
Why two diode? We have 4 diodes over here, na? We have placed the
In each case we use two diodes. So why only
It is
in
one
each
kind
case?
of configuration. That's why you are using 4 diode. For each case we are using 2 diode. Let me explain another thing where you will find we will use only one diode to rectify one circuit. Okay, it depends on circuit terminology, what kind of circuit you want to draw. Here we try to discuss the bridge kind of circuit. That's why we use 2 diodes to rectify one half cycle. Okay, now suppose I have this kind of circuit, then I am using center tap. Then okay, now here I am giving my input Vi. It is my Vi. It is my inductance. Okay, so in this case, this diode D1 and this diode D2. So what will happen? Okay, let's try to investigate. In the first positive half cycle, so it is positive, it is negative. So in this case, it will be my positive, it will be my negative. So this diode, I have this kind of connection. You observe, if it is negative, I can assume this portion is negative. So this diode D1 is on condition. Current will flow. So it will act as a short circuit. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now here
Yes,
for
sir.
this diode case, this positive terminal can be assumed over here because it is short circuited now. So in this case, this diode D2 is off. So this D2 will be open circuit. So what will happen? So in this case, current will flow from positive terminal to this terminal, and it will not go in this case because it is open terminal. It is open. That's why. So all the current will flow in this way and it is connected. So in this cycle there will be one current flow and we are getting the current in this direction. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let's talk about the negative half cycle. So in case of my negative half cycle, so this is my input. So it is negative, so it is positive. So I can assume it is negative, it is positive. Then it is my circuit terminology. Now you assume approximate analysis. It is my negative terminal. So this negative terminal can come over here because connection with this one. Agree? So it is this diode D2 is on condition. So it will be short circuit. So current will flow in this direction. So when the current is flowing in this direction, there will be two branches here and there. Now here the current is flowing in this direction. So that means it is positive, it is negative. So it will be open circuit. So D1 is off condition. D1 is off condition. So there will be no current flow. Total current will flow in this direction. So in this cycle, in this case, in this loop, one current will flow from right to left like this. So in this case, we will also the output will be like this always. It is for this one is for positive half cycle, this one is for negative half cycle, and again this one is for positive half cycle. Okay. So in this case, we can see we have used two diodes, okay, to implement the full wave rectifier, where during the any one half cycle only one diode is working. Okay. Now I got you got your answer. हाँ बोलो.
So actually, I can't understand how you get that graph. Means that all three waves are in positive cycle.
Where all three wave? Here we have two wave. This is first wave, second wave. Then if I again give, then it will be third wave. During the first wave, here the current is flowing in this direction, na, and the voltage, that is V naught.
The output graph.
Oh, you have to understand it, na. And output कहाँ से ले रहे हैं वो बोलो. Output कहाँ से ले रहे हैं बोलो. कहाँ का output है कहाँ पे बोलो.
एक हमने लिया D1 वो जो ऑन कंडीशन में था, एंड
आउटपुट वोल्टेज कहाँ से लिए है वो बोलो. आउटपुट वोल्टेज कहाँ से करंट जा रहा है, वी डोंट केयर. व्हाट इज द आउटपुट वोल्टेज. द रेजिस्टर. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले अभी बोला ना यहाँ पे आउटपुट वोल्टेज रेजिस्टर से ले रहे थे. हाँ. सो हियर वी आर टेकिंग द आउटपुट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस रजिस्टर. इस रेजिस्टेंस में आउट करंट कौन सी दिख से कौन सी दिख जा रहा है, लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो इट इज पॉजिटिव, इट इज नेगेटिव. Okay, so this terminal is output voltage. So here I am plotting voltage, output voltage, okay, across the resistance. Okay, now in this case, when I am giving the first cycle, so it is my first cycle, then I got this kind of output from negative, so from right, positive to negative. So suppose I have drawn this output. We are not talking about what is the peak voltage. Okay.
Yes,
then in the negative case, it is my second cycle. In this case, the current is also again flowing in this direction. So direction is same through the resistance. So I will get again positive voltage. So in the negative case, I again got the positive output V naught. So again this will come for third half, that means this kind of input, positive input cycle. So in this way you are getting one by one output cycle. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Good. Is there any doubt? Is there still any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Hamesha always try to remember you have to find the output across a register. Just few minutes earlier I told we cannot take the output from diode. Either it will be 0 or almost Vi. So that's why it is. I will never design any kind of circuit if I take the output across a diode. So I have to take the output at least across a register. Here only one resistance is there, so obviously I have to take the output across the voltage across the resistor. You have to apply something. Okay, good. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, suppose अभी कितना टाइम बचा है? हो जाएगा. Suppose let's draw one circuit. I am giving only this cycle, so that's why only shaded portion is there. So it is my positive, it is my negative. Suppose this is my terminal V0. So what is the value of V0? What is the value of V0? Bolo.
0, sir.
Very good. So as it is 0, so it is my input. So it is my input Vi. So in this case, I am drawing V0. Here I am writing V01. So in this case, I am drawing V01. So it is 0 in this cycle. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
in this circuit, if I place one kind of let me place some kind of voltage over here. It is suppose plus minus Va. It is my Vi and it is my positive half cycle again as it is. So what will be my output voltage? What will be my output voltage? Bolo.
VI minus VA. VI minus VA.
VI minus VA.
Yes, sir. VI minus
VA.
Always
VA.
VA. You check na. What is the terminology?
Sir,
I am
direction
taking the
only
voltage
VA.
across this point.
VA, sir.
Only VA.
Input.
Sir,
So
only BI.
again VI.
VA.
इतना कुछ बोलने के बाद भी फिर VI आ रहा है आंसर. VA. Suppose this is my VA. Okay. Suppose this is my VA. So it is my this kind. It is my this kind. Okay. Now if I add both circuit, plus minus VA, and then I am taking V0 over here. Here I am giving only positive half cycle. Let's focus only positive half cycle. So it is positive, only negative. This half cycle only we are giving. Now what will be my output? It is easy. Now for simplicity, I am assuming it is
Sir.
10 volt. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. Hello. Okay. Now here it is plus minus Va. So if and Va is suppose 2 volt, for simplicity understanding, the current will flow in this direction if it is 2.1. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The current will also flow if it is 6.5 volt. Agree?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this case, what will be the voltage across the diode? 0 volt. Because if the input voltage
Yes,
is
sir.
more than 2 voltage, the voltage drop across the diode will be 0 volt. Okay. Now suppose the voltage is 1.9 volt. In this case, this diode is off condition. The
Yes,
diode
sir.
is off
Yes,
condition.
sir.
So the total voltage, what will be the total voltage? Vi, because this is my this is my minus Vi, it is my plus V naught, that is 0. So V naught equal to Vi. So I will get whatever the input voltage. So I will get this input voltage as output voltage. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So suppose this is my input waveform and it is my 2 volt and it is my 10 volt. So before the 2 volt, I will get V naught as V in. Okay, input voltage, the same input voltage will appear as a V out. So I will get this kind of cycle up to this one. Is there any doubt up to this one? Is there any doubt? I will get as it is the input voltage. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now when it is taking 2.1 voltage or 6.5 voltage or 10 voltage then it is short circuited. Diode is short circuited. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
in this case, voltage drop across the diode will be 0 volt. Then the output voltage terminal
Yes.
क्या आएगा? Only
VA.
VA, that is 2 volt.
Straight line.
So I will get constant straight line. Then again, then dip in this way. Okay, so I will get this kind of output. So I will not get this kind of output. ऊपर वाला नहीं आएगा. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Any
sir.
any
Yes, sir.
student do any student has any doubt? Any student has any doubt? Any student has any doubt? हाँ बोलो.
2 volt have.
क्या 2 volt वाला बोलो? कौन सा वाला?
How we get only 2 volt? Sir,
Here we are assuming VA equal to 2 volt. Now we are assuming. That's why 2 volt.
sir, we in input we give a AC volt of 10 volt.
हाँ.
Then at the as it is greater than 2 volt, so the diode will be short circuited. Then
Yes, if the diode is short circuited, voltage across the diode will be 0 volt. Agree? Only voltage across the diode. Agree?
yes, sir. सर उसके
So,
बाद वो जो
उसके बाद वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, उसके बाद यहाँ का तो आउटपुट वोल्टेज कहाँ पे ले रहा हूँ? Across the diode plus across the voltage. So in this terminal, what is the output? Only this VA voltage. That means which is assumed to be 2 volt. That's why I will get in, although the input is greater than 2 volt, but I will get constant 2 voltage. Now is it clear?
हाउ टू सर उस जगह पे हम एक बैटरी ले रहे हैं 2 वोल्ट का है डायोड के पीछे.
What is the output voltage? V naught क्या है? VD plus VA. Agree? V naught equal to
Yes,
VD plus VA. Agree? Now,
Yes,
if VI greater than 2 voltage, then what is the value of VD? VD का वैल्यू कितना है बोलो? 2
Sir,
वोल्ट
sir,
से
हो
ज्यादा
गया.
होगा तो क्या होगा? क्या होगा बोलो?
Yes.
कितना वोल्टेज होगा बोलो?
VD 2
बोलो?
वोल्ट ही हो 2 वोल्ट होगा. VD
कैसे
इक्वल टू
2
0
वोल्ट होगा? हाँ,
नहीं सर
0 वोल्ट.
जी
0 volt.
VD
Now, so write 0 volt and VA we have assumed it is equal to 2 volt. So it will be, output will be 2 volt. अभी VI अगर 10 volt भी होगा, we don't bother. V naught will be 2 volt. So from 2 to that means what should I say? From this terminal. Okay, this is from this region. Okay, output will be simple 2 volt. Agree? Output will be simple 2 volt. Agree? So that's why we
Yes,
have
sir.
drawn. And before the two, and if the input is less than 2 volt, we solve it. It will come as it is the input voltage. So that's why we will get this kind of. So here, this is. We have that. Is it clear or should I tell again?
yes sir clear now it is clear.
Okay, very good. I will solve the same problem in reverse direction. Okay, then you apply the same concept. Okay. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
I will apply the same thing in reverse direction. Okay, now Here I am again giving one register, but here I will give one kind of input signal, but now it is negative half cycle. So now it is negative, it is positive. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here, if I want to make one current flow in this direction, if I want to make one current flow in this direction, diode कैसे लगाना पड़ेगा? आप top to bottom और bottom to top, diode कैसे लगाना पड़ेगा बोलो? Top to bottom,
Top to bottom.
Bottom to top.
bottom to top,
Bottom to top.
bottom to top.
Bottom to top.
Top, yes, bottom to top. If I want to make this kind of current, now if I am placing again over VA over here, suppose here it is VB, it is minus, it is plus, then here it is this one. Okay, in this case suppose I am assuming it is 3 volt. Agree? So suppose let's draw the input cycle. Let's draw a bigger one. In red color it is input, red input. Okay, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt up to this? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Is there any doubt? Okay, now here I am assuming 10 volt, so for understanding purpose. Okay, now in this case suppose Vi less than 3 volt, less than or equal to 3 volt, तब क्या होगा? In this case suppose it is 2.5 voltage, it is 3 voltage, so here it is positive, here it is negative, so diode is open circuit. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt
Yes,
for
sir.
any student? For less than 3 volt, what will happen? Less than 3 volt, what will happen? Diode will act as open circuit. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, what is the input? So output, the output will be nothing but this is it is open circuit, na? It is open circuit. This is my output. So input plus V naught, sorry, plus Vi plus V naught equal to 0. So then from this I can get V naught equal to Vi, opposite direction. Okay, so that's why I will get some kind of voltage. Whatever the input voltage, I will get same voltage. Here the current is flowing no, you check, current is flowing in this direction, na? So here it is positive, here it is negative, so I have to write negative sign over here. Now it is correct. So suppose for simplicity we are giving it is 3 volt. Okay, minus 3 volt, because we are taking output in opposite direction. So in this case I will get same voltage, so I will get this kind of voltage. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
For any student?
No, sir.
Because हाँ नहीं तो बार बार एक ही जगह पे हम लोग घूम रहे हैं. हाँ, okay, now suppose let's do it in the black. Now suppose Vi greater than 3 volt, because we have given here 3 volt, Vb we are assuming 3 volt, that's why 3 volt. Suppose in this case we are assuming it is 3 volt. Suppose it is 4 volt and here it is 3 volt. So now diode, it is negative terminal, now it is positive terminal. So diode is reverse bias or forward bias? Diode is reverse bias or forward bias?
Forward bias, sir.
So it will be short circuited. It will be
Yes,
short
sir.
circuited. So voltage
Yes,
drop across the diode VD will be कितना? VD कितना होगा?
Zero.
VB.
0 volt.
होगा.
0 volt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now my V naught, this circuit is completed now, because current is flowing in this direction, because it is greater than 3 volt. So ID
Sir,
not equal to 0.
Sir,
हाँ, बोलो.
V naught equals to VB, sir. When Vi greater than 3 volt.
अरे भाई थोड़ा रुको. अरे now as Vi greater than 3 voltage, so VD is 0 because it is short circuited. So that means there is a loop formation. As there is a loop formation, ID will have some value. Agree? ID कुछ ना कुछ तो current रहेगा ना यहाँ पे तो. As now this circuit is complete, so V naught equal to, it is nothing but VD plus VB. Agree? VD is 0 volt
Yes.
and VB equal to 3 volt. So that means V naught will be 3 volt. Agree? So in
yes,
this
sir.
so in this region, that means whatever we are talking, that means this region, in this through region, okay, I will get constant 3 voltage. Yes or no? Constant 3 voltage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt for any student? Is there any doubt for any student? Constant 3 voltage.
Sir, why do we take BT equal to, we can take BT equal to 0.6,
You say properly. Your voice is that means we are unable to hear you properly. ठीक ठाक करके बोलो ना.
सर अगर आप कैपेसिटर लगा देंगे तो ये एनीवे
अभी कैपेसिटर यहाँ पे लिया है क्या? So do not ask any question from capacitor. Okay? We will come one by one because I didn't give why it is called rectifier. इसका आंसर भी मैंने अभी तक नहीं दिया है. Because we have to learn all topic, then we can decide which one is rectifier, which one is clamper, which one is clipper, which one is peak detector. We have to define everything. हाँ, तो इसीलिए as we didn't put any capacitor, do not ask any question from capacitor. Just focus from this circuit. Step by step जाएंगे हम लोग. हाँ. Someone was asking some question. उसका sound ठीक ठाक नहीं आ रहा था. बोलो ठीक ठाक करके बोलो.
Sir, I was writing in the chat box.
You say properly. It is very difficult to see chat box and I have to give answer. बोलो क्या पूछना है बोलो.
So now it is audible?
Yeah, it is audible. बोलो.
Sir, I was asking that why BD is equal to 0 is taken. I mean that BD should be 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, etc.
0.6 or 7. Why did you have you started our initial class? When did you join today's class? When did you join?
Sir,
Today
sir, I have joined.
सर
मैंने 1:15 को ज्वाइन किए थे जब 17 बजे थे.
So you miss lots of things. You please join on time.
Sir.
You
Sir,
miss those
sir,
things.
You are not started at that time.
You check this thing. I just clearly told before starting the rectifier. For numerical problem, if we solve, we have to take VD equal to 0.7 volt because most of the time we use silicon diode. For graphical, all kind of graphical solution, we have to consider this short circuit, then it is 0 volt. We clearly told from the beginning. So that's why do not consider 0.5 volt. You can consider, there is no issue. Okay, then your problem will be little bit complicated, but we are trying to solve the problem approximately. That's why we can also solve by assuming 0.5 or 0.7 volt and we will get the output as per our, that means the value of VD. But here we are clearly told for what is the meaning of graph? Graph का meaning क्या है बोलो? What is the meaning of graph?
Graph is the approximate.
I am asking to that student only. He has to give the answer. हाँ? Other कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. बोलो. What is the graph? If I have any function y equal to fx, I have to plot on using pen and paper in 2 dimension. It is graph. Okay, and it is numerical means I have to use 0 to 9 kind of numerical digit and I have to compute where additions, subtraction, multiplication, divisions all can be used. Okay, so that is the difference. For graphical solution, if I calculate always 0.5, 0.1, my calculation will be complicated. That's why we do not try to use complicated solution during graphical solution. Okay, so for simplified solution or in lucid way, if I want to get any approximate solution, obviously approximate solution graphical manner, we will always use 0 volt across the diode. Is it clear right now? Is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
You follow the class from the beginning. हाँ, बीच में बोलोगे तो फिर पहले जाना पड़ रहा है. ऑनलाइन में ऐसे दिक्कत होता है. ऑनलाइन में ऐसे दिक्कत होता है अगर हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Sir, I actually followed. Actually, I have a doubt that why it is
Then you could
different.
have
That's why
asked
I
the
just
same
asked.
thing in the beginning ना. मैं बार बार वही बोल रहा हूँ. यही बात बोलने के लिए मुझे फिर से फर्स्ट स्लाइड में जाना पड़ रहा है. तो हम लोग आगे कैसे जाएंगे?
Okay, sir,
ऑलरेडी
let
कोरोना
it
की
go.
हाँ कोरोना की वजह से ऑलरेडी हम लोग पीछे चल रहे हैं. हाँ थोड़ा समझो. हाँ जब जब भी इशू होगा यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, मगर पीछे क्यों जाएंगे? वही थोड़ा. सो नाउ so in this case we will get the output 3 voltage always. Is it clear? During this region, throughout this region, during this region, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt for any student?
No, sir.
Okay, now again
No, sir.
No, sir.
this region will come. Now this region will come. In this case, what is the amplitude of input voltage? Bolo.
Sir, VI.
In this, yes, no, no. What is the amplitude of input voltage? 3 volt. Because it is
Yes,
3,
sir.
na?
3 volt.
So 3 volt. As it is 3 volt, my circuit will work as per our assumption in 3 volt. So I will get this kind of circuit output. So my final output will be like this. So here I am drawing using red color. Okay, नहीं ये कलर ही करते हैं, ब्लैक ही करते हैं, नहीं तो इशू हो जाएगा. So here it will be constant. Then यहाँ पे जाएगा. थोड़ा ड्राइंग में इशू हो रहा है, ऑनलाइन है तो इसलिए. So this is 3 volt. And as it is a negative sign direction, so negative, because you observe this way. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
Sir, it is clear.
Okay, very good, very good, good. Now it is extremely important. If you know, I am requesting to all my dear students, solve by yourself. Huh? Solve by yourself. Suppose it is plus minus VA. I am not giving any value VA. For simplicity, you can assume 2 volt. As per our assumption, it is my VI. It is AC signal. Here I am giving AC signal. Huh? Then I am also giving another kind of it is my D1, it is my D2, it is my plus minus VB. For simplicity, you can assume 3 volt. Draw the output. Draw the output. What is the output voltage? Output we are taking across this terminal. This is my output voltage. Sorry, V0. So output voltage is nothing but this is my A terminal, B terminal. So AB, V0 is nothing but VAB. We are assuming. Okay, draw it. Just you sum those two circuit and solve it. ऐसे ऐसे करो, कोई इशू नहीं है. 5 मिनट बाकी अभी नया दूसरा क्लास स्टार्ट होने में. हाँ खुद से करना, ठीक है. So here we have given this one, so we got positive cycle. So
डन सर.
वेरी गुड. रुको जरा, मुझे भी करने दो.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
हो गया सर.
Done, sir.
Anyone facing an issue? So here I have drawn this one. Okay, it is 0 to suppose T by 2 and this is T. It is T by 2 to T. Okay, so final resultant will be like this. Approximately. Okay, so it is my VA, it is my VB. Everybody got this solution or anyone didn't get? Is there anyone who didn't get? Anyone? किसी को भी डाउट हो तो बोलो. Anyone is facing issue? Anyone is facing issue? Anyone? No one? अरे भाई सभी का हो गया क्या? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? किसी का डाउट है? Because next week, next day we will start new topic. It is clipper. We will start next week, next day clamper. We will not talk about clipper. So now let's come why it is called clipper. यहाँ इसका expression दे सकते हैं. Now you check in this circuit. Okay, here नहीं. Suppose this is my input signal. नहीं, यहाँ से छोड़ो, यहाँ पे. Here this is my input signal, but here I am getting final output this one. So this portion is not coming. So it is clipped. It is chopped off. So that's why it is called clipper. If a circuit is clipping the positive any part, then it is called positive clipper. If any circuit is cutting any negative portion, this one, so it is negative clipper. Here, because it is cutting the negative portion, this portion has been chopped off, that's why. And here it is clipping the positive portion, that's why it is called positive clipper. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is there any doubt? Any doubt? अभी है तो
No,
बोलो,
sir.
कोई इशू नहीं. अभी भी 2-3 मिनट बाकी है, कोई इशू नहीं है. Okay, so everybody got this output. Is there any student who didn't get this output? Any student? Any student is facing issue? हाँ बोलो बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे 2 वोल्ट और 3 वोल्ट है, तो सर 2 स्टेप्स होने चाहिए ना?
नहीं. You check. Here I am giving 2 voltage because initially we solved this problem using 2 volt. You check this circuit. Suppose कहाँ गया? Suppose this circuit 1, this one, okay, and this circuit is circuit 2. You check. It is circuit 1. Agree? Yes or no? This circuit is circuit 1. Agree?
Yes.
So and for circuit 1 I am getting this kind of output. Agree? Positive clipper. Agree?
हाँ सर.
हाँ ठीक है, रुको जरा. तो that's why I got positive clipper. तो इसीलिए मैंने इसको एरो देके ऐसे दिखाया. Okay, do not focus on section 2 right now. Okay, because when I am giving positive cycle, then only this circuit will work. In negative cycle, this circuit will not work. In negative cycle, this circuit will work. So this, when the negative cycle is coming, so it is circuit 2, and you check it is my circuit 2. Agree? You check.
Yes sir.
So here I am getting the output of this one, negative portion. Okay, and here VB is assumed to be equal to 3 volt. So that's why I have drawn this circuit over here. Okay, and now when I am giving this one, okay, in this case 2 is on, 2 is off condition. In this case 1 is off condition, 2 is on condition. So that's why for positive half cycle I am getting this kind of output, for negative half cycle I am getting this kind of output. So if you add these two circuit, then final resultant will be this one, for positive for circuit 1, and this is for circuit 2. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Is there any doubt still? Is there any doubt, any student? अभी ये तो बोलो, almost हो गया. जिसका डाउट है वो तो they can stay here and let me check. I have downloaded this one. Rest can leave.